bake my choco lava cupcake. I've tried this before, but not a cupcake, but a proper cake, and it came very good way. So I'm gonna try it once again, and I hope it works. I poured some water and brought it to boiling point, and then I placed a stand inside this big utensil. I'm gonna place my cup on top of this stand and then cover it with a cloth, and then let's see after 5 minutes what's gonna happen. I'm gonna place another cover on top of this cloth, and I'm gonna wait for 5 minutes. Oh wow, soft.
We've been talking for an hour, we just can't find the end. We won't understand each other. I wonder how it feels to fall asleep and love the one that's next to me. I don't know why I'm stuck around with you. I've been told I should go find myself again. You're taking my soul, everything I